5 wickets with the off-cutter. It's mostly seam up, and is that a wicket? No catch taken. Rohit Sharma is gone. Casual shot towards point, and guess who's taken the wicket?
It's Mustafizur Rahman who's broken their first partnership. Incredible scenes here at the Maple Stadium. Look at the crowd go berserk. Why not? India already one down. Pitched up. Whether it was a slower delivery, we can't tell from that angle. It is very good catch. Really good catch from Mustafizur Rahman. Outstanding fielder. He loves it.
Bangladesh fans excited. Athar Ali Khan excited in the commentary box. 0 for 1. Finger goes up. Rob Tucker has signaled the end of the innings of Suresh Raina. And this is what Bangladesh has been so good at. They keep chipping away with wickets at the right time. No partnerships of much significance for India. It's 163 for 5. The crowd on their feet once again.
And he's delivering the goods. He's tempting him. Just a little bit of extra bounce on that from Mustafizur Rahman. Getting a faint touch onto the gloves. Liton Das does the rest. Big strike here. It's just waiting for maybe the front foot, whether he's overstepped. And we'll have to wait for that. Suresh Raina waits. There we go. Have a look at that. That's all right. So Suresh Raina will have to be on his way. Another important breakthrough. The right moment for Bangladesh. Young Mustafizur Rahman delivering. End of Suresh Raina's innings. He goes for 34. And India now 163 for 5.
That's fine, but you win matches through your bowlers. Pakistan have shown that by beating Bangladesh in the second test match. Gone! Simple lob catch to short exit cover, and it's that man again. The wiry left arm seamer, Mustafizur, who gets his 3rd wicket. That's 8 wickets so far in this couple of one-days. Tremendous stuff from him and the Bangladesh team, and it's the well-said Dhoni who's walking back on 47.
As you said, the bowlers doing the job. You see, just foxed Dhoni into playing an indifferent kind of shot. Really checked a shot, and no problems there at all for Chombo Jorkar to take that catch. And this young man is really delivering. He's really charged up, and a big wicket of the Indian captain, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, goes for 47. India in a spot of bother now, 174 for 6. The fired up Mustafizur Rahman. And that's close. Up goes the finger. He's got another one. Mustafizur Rahman is on fire. Goodness gracious, what is this boy doing? And there's dancing in the aisles here at the Chirabangla National Stadium.
Absolutely brilliant atmosphere here in Mirpur, and once again the young man showing his accuracy. First ball to Akshar Patel is spot on. Where is it hitting? Going on to hit middle stump. And that's the great strength of this young man. For a man who's so new at this level, his accuracy is that of a veteran. Tremendous stuff from Mustafizur, and Bangladesh right back in this one. 174 for 7. Patel has gone for a golden duck. Had to be a seam-up delivery.
Oh, did he get a touch? Did he get an edge? He did indeed! That is another 5-4. Mustafizur Rahman is on fire. Another little push from Ravichandran Ashwin. Gets a faint touch, and 2 matches in a row in one-day internationals. Mustafizur Rahman has got 5 wickets.
Only the second bowler in the history of one-day cricket to take 2 5-wicket hauls in his first 2 matches. Incredible performance, this unbelievable performance, and once again Ashwin troubled with that ball that just leaves him. It's exactly how we got out in the last match. Can you believe that? Another 5-wicket haul for this man. 5 for 40 of his 9. He's got 1 more over to go. And that's still 2 wickets to pick up for him. Ashwin gone for 4. It's 184 for 8.
0.5 overs. This is the last ball for Mustafizur. Oh, he's nailed it! This has been a fairy tale evening of huge proportions. That is the most extraordinary night that this young lad will never forget. He has just picked up his 6th wicket, and he has finished his spell of 6 for 43. Jadeja becomes his 6th victim.
Inside edge onto the pads and timber. What a moment for the youngster. Magnificent display of bowling from the youngster. 5 in the first one, 6 wickets there. Jadeja gone for 19. India 196 for 9.